Hey everyone, so we only go up from here. What's happening, everyone? SHIB rocket. Look at this. This is beautiful. Look at this Shiba Inu on this rocket trying to stay alive while all these coins are falling out due to burn or like everyone purchasing them. I would love to see this. I would love to wake up and see 1 cent. I'm hoping it happens, but we do have a few things to talk about and a few things to confirm before we get to those stages, before you already buy your Lambos, before you prepare for the big updates. You need to see this. Thank you so much for dropping a like, because we are dropping into a lot of news today. How the Shiba Inu coin burn is attempting to rekindle memes magic. Like, meme coins, let's be honest here. We all love meme coins. If you invested into Shiba Inu, you probably invested into Dogecoin as well, or at least one other meme coin. Or you're very new to crypto, which is completely fine. But SHIB offers a snapshot of how meme coins rise and fall. However, Shiba Inu is not over. They're listening to the community, they're doing a burn, they're doing a lot of things. The developers of an alternative cryptocurrency called Shiba Inu have removed some of the coin supply from circulation as they try to restore of the excitement that sent prices soaring earlier this year. As FXC Empire reported, the price of Shiba Inu or SHIB rose nearly 20% over the weekend after developers announced a coin burn, a move in which a coin holder sends a portion of their assets to a wallet that no one can access. So the coin burns will probably be happening more and more, as they're the most requested feature right now. Probably the second most requested feature that people are asking for is to just not post more tokens, to not post more than Bone and Leash right now, to focus on the 3 coins we have. Now, excitement is everything in the world of altcoins, which have a little inherent value and trade largely on hype. A lot of these coins, we need new investors for the pricing to increase. The developers and the holders of these coins are constantly jockeying for attention, which is why some of them have turned to celebrity and influencer endorsement as a way to attract new investors. Not Shiba Inu though, it grew organically. Now for Dogecoin, they are backed by Elon Musk. For Shiba Inu, we are backed by utility. Now, Shiba Inu became a poster child for a market in May when a listing on popular cryptocurrency exchange Binance led to a trading frenzy. We all know what happened, but Vitalik burned 90% of the tokens the developers had sent to him and donating the remaining 10%. And those 10% are still not yet sold off, which is why the price has not increased as much as other coins. And this is what a lot of people don't realize. As Buttery donated the relief fund, no one is sure where the relief fund is now. The share has represented 50% of all circulation. In this case, however, the people behind the coin are doing the burning themselves. The developers, actually burned something, and an exchange where people can trade, establishing an ecosystem of ways for traders to gamble their money through meme coins. So SHIB Swap is a big, big thing. But one thing that we need is for Shiba Inu to ever think of reaching $1 is first a burn, and second its own NFT game. Look at Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity has been growing so much. And the third thing that the developers could be doing is buying back the tokens. So this is what a lot of coins do. They buy back the tokens in the market with their profits, maybe from SHIB Swap. They buy with a percentage, maybe only 5%. Instead of marketing, they buy back the tokens and burn them or give them to influencers or whatever. But the Axie Infinity token price doubles in just 2 days. And after they release their game, or after some time, they basically made their paths explode. Imagine if we had a Shiba Inu game. Look at this. Like, it's growing faster than ever. Like, Axie Infinity and NFT games are obviously the future, and if we can get like Shiba Inu influencers and the Shiba Inu developers to work together and make an NFT game, I think that would seriously increase the price, where you would have to use either Leash or Bone or SHIB in the game itself. It's gonna be very hard and it's not easy. I think they already talked about it, and it's pretty expensive and a hard feature to do. But at some point, we could be seeing a Shiba Inu game, and I would be really excited for that. Of course, there are ample risks from holding the Axis token in a volatile, still infinite industry where new protocols can be prone to technological glitches and subject to attacks. There's also the chance that the money may rotate into Bitcoin and other top cryptocurrencies once bullishness returns to a broader crypto market. At present, the wider market is in stasis with Bitcoin locked in the range of 30,000 to 40,000, which is obviously old news. But look at this, like crypto is the new thing. And hopefully we can make a lot more money by making a crypto game. Now, I'll just be posting a quick clip over here, but let's go more into details later on.
Depends on how you want to invest. If you're just investing a little bit here, a little bit there. But I wouldn't put large sums of money in a project that basically says, well, we're going to be decentralized, so regulations aren't going to matter. I think that stance is foolhardy, right? I mean, we've now watched governments trace ransomware BTC back to wallets. It's clear that, just because you're anonymous on a chat room or you're anonymous on Twitter, you're not really that anonymous, right? I would say that if you're going to put money down in crypto, I think a little regulatory due diligence around how folks are thinking about that is good.
So regulation is happening. Obviously, we can see a lot about NFTs and how NFTs are growing here. So let me just show you a clip it here.
So I wouldn't say that Axie in particular is fully decentralized. That's just an opinion, right? And we can argue about what fully decentralized means.
So Shiba Inu is on fully decentralization, but decentralization doesn't mean you will be anonymous from the government, but it does give you full control of what you do of what happens.
I think that's a much broader conversation. But Axie is a first attempt at kind of marrying these two things.
Anyway, let's get on with more news as meme tokens set for third straight monthly loss as retail traders flee Dogecoin copycats. Now, meme coins are getting old. Like, this is on July 20th, obviously, so we passed some time between that. But if we check this study over here, top meme coins perform worse in June than May, and meme coins are basically performing worse and worse. And what Shiba Inu is trying to do is go, instead of that meme coin route where all of these copycats of Dogecoin are going, is trying to go for the new way with providing lots and lots of utility. Now, the meme token market becomes oversaturated with pointless meme coins, etc., etc. So I think it highlights the aggressive nature of the risk on flow that was the prevalent during that set period, and it mattered less to a degree, and in the end it became a very crowded momentum trade. So we can see over here almost all of the 10 meme tokens from CoinMarketCap third tail and follow the pack leader in posting negative returns in June. Dogecoin's price is down, but it's an oversaturated market for meme coins. So what we have to do is provide utility. And one way, with providing what the community wants is doing burns, buying back the tokens. So this is what something that Binance is doing. Record 600 million BNB burn suggests Binance made 750 million profit in Q1. So the profit they make, they buy back. So Binance burned 600 million worth of BNB in Q1, which means Binance possibly made over 750 million in profit. So they burn 90% of their coins. We can see Binance has burned 20% of the exchange profits, but in the last burn, Binance burned much more than 20%, and the exact percentage of the burn remains uncertain. So this is huge. Like, this is a strong amount. They're burning like 20% of their profit so far. So imagine burning $500 million. Wait, don't imagine. It's real. So they obviously burned $500 million like that. And if we could get that burn for SHIB, imagine what kind of market boost would happen. Obviously, it's not, Shiba Inu devs are not making as much as Binance, but if Binance is doing that, it actually does increase the price a lot. BNB was going to burn 20% of profit based on this update. It's now unclear what they'll burn, but maybe something like this, 80% of their profit up to 100 million tokens and nothing like that. We can see the statistics over here, but look what happens with the price after the huge burn. This is beautiful. Imagine if we saw this for SHIB. Imagine if this is Shiba Inu's price right now or somewhere around here, and we saw a beautiful burn like that. Obviously, we would need very, very huge amounts of burn to see something like that, but they burned so much coins. They already did 17 burns like that, and Binance token might be worth, you know, $3,000 at some point. Just do it to their partnerships and do it through their burn. And obviously, we do love Binance as SHIB token is on there. But look at this. Every time they initiated a new burn, this is what happened. A burn over here, another burn over here. So another burn happened at this point, and then another burn happened at this point from what I'm seeing. So every time a burn happened, the price has once again increased. And I do love with what's happening with such coins. Like, the Binance team knows what they're doing with burns. And if Shiba Inu can have the same type of burns, we can be seeing 1 cent for SHIB. Everyone needs to learn about Bitcoin, so he has been shilling Bitcoin. But words don't say it all, crypto does. Crypto will tell us a lot in the future. Maybe it will make some people rich, maybe even you. But the market says it all. If the price is low, the supply is high and the demand is low. But if the price is high, the demand is also high. So FUDs die, but Bitcoin doesn't. No matter amount of the FUD, we're going to survive, and we will keep being there strong. Binance obviously supports Shiba Inu and still has it listed. But it seems like if we can get our own NFT game, if we can get our own buybacks, that's how we can reach $1 or just 1 cent or 1/3 of a cent. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, peace everyone.